A video about what's in my vanity area. Ooh. Okay, so it's kind of dark right now, but I wanted to do this video at nighttime because I just felt like, I don't know, like things just look better at night, you know. So I just felt like doing it at night. All right, so let's start with this area right here. This is my chair. I don't really use this chair to like do my makeup in, but this is basically, let me turn my light up. This is basically my chair that I use when I have clients and stuff like that. I got this from the discount store. I think this was like probably like $60. It's really comfortable. It has like padded areas in the seat. There's a lever that pulls it up, pulls it down, or whatever. Yeah. These are my cute pillows that I got from. I also got this from the discount store in my area. And how much were these? I don't even know how much these were, but I love these pillows. Like, oh my god, it's great for decorations. I use it on my bed, I use it for my chair, whatever. It's just really cool, and it's just amazing. Like, look at this. Anyway, moving on. So next up is this rug that I have. This is a fur rug that I got from my mom. I think she got this from Target. You can get this anywhere. I'm gonna link down below where you guys can get like most of this stuff that I have in my video, so don't worry. And here is my vanity. Ooh, yeah. Yeah, I don't understand how long I waited to get a vanity. Like, oh my god. Alright, so first let's start with my makeup. This right here, I got this set from Amazon. I'm gonna link this also down below, so don't worry. This was, I don't know how much everything is right now, so excuse me, I'm sorry, but I'm gonna link it right here. And everything is also going to be in the description bar below, so don't worry. Anyways, I got this from Amazon. And this is what I keep inside of my drawers. I have LA Girl Pro Concealer, different shades and stuff for my clients and for myself. Right here, I had some brushes in here, but I was washing my brushes. So there's only like 3 in here right now, but the rest of them are like somewhere. They're drying or whatever. And the last one, I have this like samples, lip gloss samples. Not lip gloss samples, but like lip gloss stick samples. I got this from I don't even know. Like, once again, everything is going to be below in the description bar, and yeah, don't worry. And of course, I have my Fenty Beauty, my beautiful Fenty. This is Trophy Wife, of course, as you can see. And this is two in here. Okay, interesting. One of them is Sandcastle, and the next one is Mint Mojo. Did I say that wrong? Mint. Hold on. I'm a little slow right now. It's like late and I'm slow. Mint did what? How? What? What? Huh? How? What? Anyway, if you guys can pronounce this, then cool. So I got that. And I have Mean Money Hustler Baby. Yo, you guys. So this is Trophy Wife, as you guys can see. And this one is the next one. You guys are gonna violate and laugh at me, but why did I drop this palette? This was the first one I bought and I dropped it. Like, yo, y'all don't know how mad I was. Like, look at this, bro. Look at this. Look at this. But I still kept it, you know what I'm saying? Because, listen, it's my money and I need it now. Even though I didn't really like this side, because I don't know, like, I'm brown skin, you know, and this does not go well with my skin. Like, it's just like, it's not serving me highlight vibes. It's like, I don't know. I don't like it. But this side, however, was way better. Anyway, I'm gonna keep it anyways. I don't care. I'm keeping it. I don't care if it's messed up. I'm keeping it. Okay? But yeah. Moving on, you guys. This is my beauty blender. I keep this in my makeup area. I have Anastasia, Beverly Hills, Dip Brow Pomade in the color Ebony. Even though I'm running out and I need some more. I have my NYX eyeshadow base in my Vanity area. Ooh. Remember the freaking brushes I told you guys about? So they finally dried. And okay, let me just separate them for you guys real quick. So these are my unicorn brushes that was in this drawer, and I got these from Amazon. I will link it down below. However, they look pretty good, but I'm not really a fan of these brushes because, let's just say, after a few uses, the brush hairs start to come out, and it's just like, I just can't deal with it. But other than that, these right here that I haven't given me any problems yet. But when you wash it a few times, it starts to like come out and shed, and it's just too much. What about these? I think these also have gave me a problem. Like, and I got these from Amazon. Well, no, I did. I got these from Hot Rose. I'm gonna link it down below. And I have these brushes, which I've gotten from, I think I got, BH Cosmetics. Yeah, these brushes right here are bomb. Like, they're amazing. Like, I definitely recommend people to get these brushes instead of Amazon brushes. No offense to Amazon, but these are just stronger and it feels better. It blends your makeup in way better than any Amazon brush that I've tried. And this is where I got it from. I will also put the link down below. It comes with 15 pieces, and I think it was $25 from Ricky's. So yeah, it's not that bad if you ask me. Okay, you guys, so that's it. Comment below if you want me to do any more videos about, you know, makeup, the stuff I use, where I got it from, or just videos in general, you know. Thanks for watching.